raccoon. Show you how big this thing is. There's my foot. Thing's bigger than my cat's. Look at those feet. Huh. Yeah, he's a little stiff. Huh. Hadn't been here very long. Let's see if I can turn him over. Come on. Huh. Kind of makes you wonder what happened to it. But it's definitely a raccoon. Look at those teeth. Oh, he's got a big tick. Look at that. There's a tick crawling on him. Crawling across his lips. The tick is like, I'm gonna find me some food. But anyway, yeah, there's definitely ticks out here for sure. And a dead raccoon. Well, I didn't expect this morning. Weird. Let me look around, see what else I can find. What is this? Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. Holy smokes. It's another big raccoon. That one's about the same size. Look at that. Compared to my foot. Wow. Okay. Huh. Must have been a battle out here last night or something. I do know the raccoons were coming around trying to get the chickens. They were checking on the chicken coop, trying to figure out a way in, trying to figure out how they can get in there and kill and eat chickens. So anyway, yeah. I gotta go let those chickens out here in a minute. in, chickies. There you are. Come on out. There you are. Come on out here and get you some food and water. Ooh, look at the doggies. We got doggies too. Ooh, look at the doggies. Chickies. Yeah, look at you. Get on out here. There you go. There you go. Get you some water. Yeah. Get you some food and water. All right. Come on. Go for a walk. Go back in. Oh, you got food inside. Okay. You got food inside. You got food inside. These babes are all hungry. They keep following me around. They got food. They just know that I'm a source of food as well. But anyway, those raccoons they climbed on, of course we got wood leaned up on both sides, but they climbed up on top. They hung around underneath the eaves and looking for a way in. Thoroughly checked out the door, this door, everything they could to try to get in that. I wish I had gotten that on video, but I didn't. I had my mind on accomplishing a few other things. Hey duckies, chickies. So, you're gonna get out of my way. I always gotta get under my feet. Hey duckies. Woo. I got my tripod, and I figured as I come out here and do stuff, I'll be using my tripod for my camera, phone, whatever they call it, a little more often. And that way I can make some, maybe a little bit different, better type of video. I could do a live stream of the compost pile. I think that'd be cool. Hey chickie, what are you doing down there? I'm thinking, I'm not really sure, but I'm thinking there were 3 or 4 different raccoons out here last night. I did find 2 of them over there. I'm thinking there's probably another one that I'll find, maybe, I don't know. But I'll look around. If I find it, I'll let you know, and everything. Of course, the chickens, every time I come out here, the chickens and the ducks think that I'm talking to them, when in reality, I'm just talking to the camera. I'm not talking to all you. They think I'm talking to them. All right.